Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Experian. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in experian.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Experian website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into your login portal. Click on the sign in to your account button and this will then ask you to enter your credentials. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the Forgot Username button as well. And in order to reset your forgotten password, click on Forgot Password. You will then be asked to enter your username or your email address. Type in your username or email address and click on Continue. In case you have forgotten this as well, you can click on Forgot Username. You will then be asked to enter your date of birth and your social security number. After typing in your date of birth and social security, you can click on the Continue button and you will be asked to check your inbox or your phone SMS for the verification code. So check either of these sources and you will find your verification code that you will need to provide in order to reset your password. Enter the verification code and continue forward and you will be allowed to create your new password. After entering your desired new password, click on the reset button and now your password will successfully be reset. After your password has been reset, you can use your new password along with your original email address or username in order to sign into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.